Okay, so welcome back. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to print all the file names inside a local folder. So in our two previous videos, I have discussed about the FindFirstFile function and the FindNextFile function, right? So we will just be adding a small detail, and that is to print the Win32 FindData.c file name. So the file name of the file can be printed or can be std out using invoke std out the offset of win32 finddata.c file name. Okay, so I just added a line break here so that we can see the text more clearly. Okay, so let's save this and project console build all, no errors. So this is the exe file, and I have created here a test folder called YouTube, which contains some test folders, document files, and text files. Okay, so here inside the test folder, I have placed some text files here and also here and here. So let's test our code. I will be dragging the test.exe here, and let's open the terminal and let's do test.exe. So as you can see here, it had printed all the document files, the test folders, the test.exe, the file itself, and the 8 text files. As you also can see, the contents inside the test folders were not printed. So the file names only of the folders were printed. So how about if we only want to get document files? So what we do is let's first delete this and change asterisk to docx. Okay, so let's save project, console build all. We see no errors. Let's drag test.exe again inside YouTube. And let's all open a command line again. And let's do test.exe. So as you can see here, we only got all the document files. Okay? So this is how you print all the file names of a specific file extension in MASM32 assembly. Okay, so I hope to see you again next time.